Hello everyone. Senzo Meyiwa's close friend and a witness to his murder, Mthoko Thwala, said that he doesn't remember describing an old revolver as the weapon the first intruder had on the night the soccer star was shot dead. Thwala said this during his cross-examination by the lawyer representing Mthobisi Prince Mncube, Charles Mnisi, at the Pretoria High Court. Mnisi introduced a sketch plan compiled by artist Amanda Steenkamp on 29 December 2014. The sketch showed that Thwala had described to the artist that the first intruder had a weapon which he described as an old revolver. Despite him failing to describe in court during cross-examination what kind of a gun he saw, except saying it was small. However, Thwala said he does not remember giving the description to Steenkamp. He said, "I don't remember saying an old revolver. I don't even know what an old revolver is." When asked if there was a possibility he could have told Steenkamp about the old revolver and might have forgotten, Thwala said no and suggested to the court that there was a possibility that Steenkamp might have noted it down without him saying that. He said that that's something I would have remembered. I don't remember saying it, which means I never said it. Thwala also described the first intruder as medium brown, estimating his age at 29 to 32. He said the whites of the intruder's eye were red. Earlier, Mnisi had asked Thwala why he had said the first intruder had a gun, as he failed to describe it during cross-examination. Thwala said that, "Because I saw it." According to Thwala, there were 6 people in the kitchen when the gun that killed Meyiwa went off. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.